My surroundings are a thing of true beauty. Trees move with the breeze, mountains holding us tightly, our community. As I look over the valley, I'm hit with appreciation for my homeland, picturesque perfection. What would we do if we lost it all to deforestation? The sale of green spaces for development. Everything seems to have a price. I know there's a housing crisis. It'd be even larger when we're underwater, sink or swim, the idiom of life. Let's go electric. Wait, the infrastructure doesn't exist. Terrace streets, park your car 10 doors down, that's one big extension lead. The cost, on top of low socioeconomic families unable to eat and a house they can't afford to heat. What do you suggest? You could raise your income, but the jobs are in the city. Education, knowledge is power. Again, travel's the key. Let's create more opportunities locally. The experts come externally, their experience outweighs what you have to offer. Of course, we won't provide development pathways. That's a waste of our resources. So how do we get our first step? Free labour. That'll do it. Is the living wage a joke or actual legislation? It seems in only certain sectors it's a consideration. Fair pay, financial stability, you don't consider those a priority. Yes, you're right, exposure does seem like a fair deal. That's really going to support me. Arts and culture is completely undervalued. We pour everything into our creations to bring new satisfaction, yet our return on investment is minimal. We're left in a space of deflation, mentally exhausted for a fraction of the appreciation. As artists and businesses, there's a lack of support because we aren't limited. The irony, because when you look around, how many can you count? All filtered out. Now imagine a startup that needs a premises, business rates rent. What a true incentive. Do you care about people? The interest in well-being for individuals is alarming. Institutes are not providing adequate support, leading to dismissals, exclusions, or withdrawal. You have a duty of care for both adults and children. Create an environment for personal development, a journey of discovery. Don't abandon them when they need care. Provide services. Show them that you're there. A spiral you could prevent. Surely that's priceless. Then fund it. Can we create a healthier Wales? Collectively, as a country, we can. Food is tricky because we're time poor. How about a 4-day working week, full salary, at least living wage, eliminates the need for multiple jobs, gives us more time at home to prepare and cook meals from scratch. Overly processed foods will be a thing of the past. Resource mental health services in all educational institutes. Acceptance that not all individuals' approach to learning is the same. Embrace it. Stop forcing clones. Workplaces, stop abandoning your staff in times of crisis. Additional workload on the same salary is a joke. Stop creating an environment where eating lunch at the desk to complete tasks is a necessity. A change of scenery, some fresh air will do wonders for mental health and productivity. Let's stop punishing people for their efficiency. You're paying for their skills and ability to deliver. Sometimes that makes them quicker. All I ask is that people are paid fairly. Finally, stop devaluing creatives and artists. Educators, career advisors, work coaches, stop asking for their plan B. Can we be better? Collectively, Cymru can.